Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can activate your Just Eat Courier app. Now, it's really easy and simple, and I'm going to show you how to do this so you can start delivering orders in no time, guys. So let's dive right in, guys. So if you're having this issue, and if you haven't done this already, what you can do is just download the Just Courier app from the Play Store, okay, the Google Play Store or the App Store. All right, and you want to open up the app and then just tap on sign up to create your Courier account. You want to enter your details, for example, including your email address, your phone number, and your password. Next, guys, what's going to happen is they will ask you to upload some required documents. You have to provide some required documents. So these include things like your ID, okay, your national ID, your proof of address, and okay, if you're delivering by car, then your driver's license and your vehicle insurance documents. You want to make sure all your documents are clear and up to date before you actually upload them. And guys, once your documents are submitted, what's going to happen is that Just Eat will basically conduct a quick, okay, they'll conduct a quick background check. So this may take, a few days. So what you want to do is you want to just be patient while your application is being processed. And guys, of course, after your background check is approved, you will receive an email with your login credentials. You want to open the app, okay, you want to log in, and you want to complete the onboarding process. You want to watch the tutorial videos and review the delivery guidelines. Make sure you do this. This is very, very important. And finally, guys, of course, you want to activate your account by setting your availability schedule in the app. Okay, you want to go ahead and do this. And once you are done, guys, you are basically ready to start accepting, delivery orders with Just Eat. And that's it all for today, guys. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. I want you to go ahead and also, guys, comment down below what your thoughts are. Let me know if this helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that subscribe button. And of course, guys, I want you to also turn on those bell notifications as well so you get notified when we upload the next video here at Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.